Hey friends, today I wanted to share with you a quick, easy practice for your vagus nerve. Do a 5-minute practice that you can use regularly. So if you want to stimulate your vagus nerve naturally, simply try these exercises. First one, we're going to sit up nice and tall. I do this regularly with my daughter. Inhale, get a little stressed out. Exhale, side bend through the neck. Then if you want to, you can add a little side bending through your body too. So drape the side up and over. So first option would just simply be the side bend. Second option would be to add the torso in. And then look for a nice maybe sigh, some type of physical shift. And then come on up. Let's just do the other side for good measure. Sit up nice and tall, side bend through your neck. Just hold that side bend. If you want to, you can even add a little massage right in through there where your vagal nerve goes on the sides of your vocal cords. And add a little bit more, just side bend open through the side body. And you can layer this with different variations. This is your first option. And then come back up. Okay, next option. We're gonna add a little hum to that. So you're going to side bend again through your neck. This is really effective with kids again. A very quick, easy way to calm them down. Let's try the other side. Drop your head over to the other side. On your exhale, just hum. Almost like you're saying Om. And come back to center. Okay. Next one, I want you to take your index finger, place it inside your right ear. You're going to go right inside the center of your ear. And you're going to find that little crevice right in the middle of the ear. And it might be a little tender, so to press, pull back, and go. So it's right above the ear canal, right in the center. There's a point right there, and you're going to gently massage a little circle, and then add a little pressure. Now you can do both of these at the same time. Again, I use this with my kids quite a bit. It's nice to do when you're out and about and you want to take it down a beat. If you're in your car or you're on the subway or the bus, if you're in an event and there's a lot of commotion and you just want to self-soothe a little bit, add some pressure right there. And release. Let's try the other side, okay? So again, sit up nice and tall. Take the index finger, place it right in there. You can find it as soon as you press right into that middle part of your ear. And you just add a little bit of pressure and a little circle up and around. And then release it. And a fun fact, my acupuncturist used to use something called ear beads and put them right inside my ears. And you can massage it that way. Ooh, that feels good. I hope this helped. Please integrate it into your life. And please comment below and let me know if you've tried this. Say, yes, I gave it a go. Or if you'd like more Vegas videos, say, yes, Vegas. that'll give me a heads up that you're interested in more of these videos, which I'd love to share with you. They're such great practices to integrate into your life. There's also a Vegas playlist, so check that out below. And I will see you soon on the mat. Namaste, friends.